I'm Sarah. I'm a college student at UCLA and my favorite ice cream flavor is vanilla. And today we're going to be making an egg float for our science experiment. For this experiment, you're going to be needing 2 eggs, 2 glasses, some water, and some salt. And don't forget your adult supervision. First, you're going to fill up a tall drinking glass about 3/4 full of water. Then gently drop the egg into the glass. You'll notice that the egg sinks right to the bottom of the glass. So now what can we do to make this egg float? You're about to find out. You'll need to fill your second drinking glass about 3/4 full of water. Then add 3 tablespoons of salt to the water and stir it into the water completely. After adding salt and stirring, place your egg into the salt water. Look, it actually floats. So why do you think this egg floated and this one sank? So why was this egg able to float? It's because of the idea of density, which is how much mass can be packed into a unit of a volume of something. It's basically saying how much stuff is in a certain volume. For example, a block of metal has a much higher density than a block of wood or cork because everything is so tightly packed together in that block of metal, while there's a lot of empty space in a block of wood or cork, meaning that it has pretty low density. Water has a density of 1 gram per milliliter. If an object has a higher density than water, it will sink, but if it has a lower density than water, it will float. So what does salt have to do with this? Adding salt to water actually increased the density of water because you added more stuff to the water without changing its volume, which is basically how much space it takes up. When you put the egg in the water without salt, the egg has a higher density than water, which is why it sank. But because the egg's density isn't much higher than water, adding that amount of salt was enough to make the density of water higher than the egg, causing the egg to float instead. I hope you all learned something fun and interesting from this video today. Stay safe and hope to see you next week.